Shenzhen Guanhong Automation Company Limited, short name SZGH, built in 2013, is one of the leading CNC and robotic automation company in China, which are professional in providing CNC total solution for milling machine, router, turning, lathe, and grinding machine, including CNC controller, servo motor and driver, spindle servo motor and driver. Also developed more than 25 models robotic arm in mass production. It can be applied to different applications, such as welding, handling, spraying, loading and unloading, grinding, general purpose, collaborative robots. The most suitable solution can be customized according to customer needs. And there are professional engineers to provide professional technical support. SZGH was awarded as New High-Tech Enterprise in China since 2018, which rely on Technical Center Force to do support, efficient, strict quality management team to guide. Also has software and hardware facilities, first-class service. There are many agents around the world, such as Turkey, Russia, Romania, Morocco, the United States, Brazil, Mexico, Poland, and Germany. The company has expanded in size since 2019, with an office of more than 1,500 square meters, 5 R&D engineers, and after-sales engineers expanded to 20. It insists on providing customers with the highest quality products and services, and has won unanimous praise from customers. Customers have repurchased. The rate has also been greatly improved.